Blue Buffalo Foods always feature real meat as the first ingredient. High-quality protein from real chicken helps your dog build and maintain healthy muscles, plus they contain wholesome whole grains, garden veggies, and fruit. Blue Life Protection Formula Adult Dog Food contains essential proteins and carbohydrates to help meet the energy needs of adult dogs, and features omega-3 and 6 fatty acids to promote a shiny coat and healthy skin. A precise blend of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals carefully selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists to support immune system health, life stage needs, and a healthy oxidative balance. Blue Dry Dog Food is made with the finest natural ingredients enhanced with vitamins and minerals. Blue contains NO chicken or poultry, byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, artificial flavors, or preservatives. Contains 30 pounds bag of Blue Life Protection Formula Adult Dry Dog Food, chicken, and brown rice. Contains 24-count case of 3.5 ounces trays of Caesar Wet Dog Food Classic Loaf and Sauce Beef Recipe, Filet Mignon, Grilled Chicken, and Porterhouse Steak Flavors Variety Pack. 6. Beef Recipe. 6. Filet Mignon Flavor. 6. Grilled Chicken Flavor. 6. Porterhouse Steak Flavor. Crafted without grains and with U.S. chicken or beef as the #1 ingredient. Caesar Wet Dog Food is complete and balanced and fortified with vitamins and minerals to help dogs of all sizes, especially small breeds, stay healthy. Made in the USA with the world's finest ingredients, Caesar makes a great meal on its own or as a dog food topper mixed with dry food. One 31.1 pounds bagged Purina One Dry Dog Food Lamb and Rice Formula. Natural dog food with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients has a Purina One Smart blend of high-quality ingredients, including quality carbohydrate sources that helps support dog nutritional needs. Is Purina One good for dogs? Real lamb is the first ingredient in this high-protein dog food kibble, helping supply protein for dogs that helps support strong muscles, including his healthy heart. This lamb dog food formula supports a microbiome balance and is made with prebiotic fiber for dogs to help maintain your dog's gut health and provide immune support. Natural sources of glucosamine for dogs support joint health, vitamins A and E promote bright eyes, and omega-6 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals nourish a shiny coat and healthy skin. One 30 pounds bagged Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food Salmon and Rice Formula. Oatmeal is easily digestible and gentle on the digestive system. High-protein formula with real salmon as the first ingredient. Fortified with guaranteed live probiotics for digestive and immune health. Used to be known as focus-sensitive skin and stomach salmon and rice formula. 13 ounces. Cans of Purina One High Protein Wet Dog Food True Instinct Tender Cuts in Dog Food Gravy with real beef and wild-caught salmon. Natural dog food formula with added vitamins for dogs plus minerals and nutrients is made with real beef and wild-caught salmon. No artificial flavors or preservatives and no poultry byproducts in this Purina High Protein canned dog food. 100% nutrition for adult dogs. 0% fillers. Every ingredient in this wet dog food gravy recipe has a purpose.